Welcome to the Shit Show. My name is Saida Simon and this is my friend
Chris van Lit. Today we have another Swiss-German lesson for you. It's the Swiss-German lesson number 3. And first let's repeat the two words we had back in lesson 2. The first word we had was yes, and you can write and say it in German like
Ja.
And in Swiss German,
EU.
And the second word we had, it was no, and you can say it and write it in German like
Nein.
And in Swiss German,
Na.
that was the two words from lesson 2. Let's go with the new word we have today in lesson 3. And we have today for you the word flower. And you can say it and write it in German like
Blume.
And in Swiss German,
Blume.
So we hope you enjoyed it, the lesson from today, and learned a new word. And if you want to learn some other words, just write it down in the comments. And we will see each other in the next lesson. So let's say
Sloncha and see ya.